You're welcome. Today we are going to be looking at how to combine two oil in soap making. Here we have palm kernel oil and palm oil. This is the saponification value of palm kernel oil, and this is the saponification value for palm oil. Saponification value for palm kernel oil is 0.1777, and saponification value for palm oil is 0.1420. Let's say we have 5,000 grams of palm kernel oil. Then we'll say 0.1777 times 5,000 grams. Then let's say we have 3,000 grams of palm kernel oil. We'll say 0.1420 times 3,000 grams. Then we add it together. Just add together. .777 times 5,000 equals 888. 888.5. Let's add up the second one. 0.1420 times 3,000 equals 426. 426. So this oil, palm kernel oil, gave us 888 grams of caustic soda, while palm oil gave us 426 grams of caustic soda. Then what we do now is we add this 888 grams of caustic soda plus 426 grams of caustic soda. 426 grams plus 888 grams, which will give us, the total will give us, let's say 888 grams plus 426 grams equals 1,314 grams of caustic soda. Then let's confirm the amount of water we'll be using for this soap making. We say we sum the oil together. We say 5,000 grams plus 3,000 grams, which will give us 8,000 grams. So let's say 8,000 grams times 75%. 8,000 grams times 75% equals 6,000 grams of water. So what we have here is 8,000 grams of oil, 1,314 grams of caustic soda, and 6,000 grams of water. That's what we need for this production. So if you don't understand, just write it down on the comment section. You tell me where you don't understand, where I should explain better. So thanks for watching, and that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.